For this week's DIY, we're working on frames that I have for so long. Everything I have it's for so long. And that's the beauty of it, because you can just redo things instead of buying new ones. So anyways, we're going to enjoy this as well. Stay tuned.
So let's get started. This is the frame. I no longer need it, no longer my style. The reason I'm getting rid of it, it's because of that crack. When I bought it, it was like that. It didn't bother me, but now it's no longer needed. So to get started, I need to take the whole thing apart, get rid of the frame, and just keeping the mirror. That's all I need for this project. So goodbye, frame. Make sure you clean your mirror properly because you need it clean to have a good grip. So I bought this half circle wood pieces. They're pretty heavy over at Amazon. I bought 3 packages. Each package comes with 6, and I use this Scotch mount double tape adhesive to attach together. So first option, you can either use straight onto the wood like that, and it will secure either way. And this is the first option. Make sure you have it all pre-lined up before you do the whole thing, because you don't want to get messed up. And the second option is put the double adhesive straight onto the mirror. So either onto the wood or to the mirror, it doesn't matter, it will stick together. Last but not least, we're going to be using this Command damage-free hanging. I applied as much as I could in the back of the mirror, and then let's just hang it on the wall.